Good morning, traders. Edge with high-tech trading analysis. I thought this morning would be a good time to show rollover for futures instruments. NinjaTrader 8 has a built-in automatic rollover for your workspaces, and I'm going to kind of demonstrate how that works right now. As all of you know, I start NinjaTrader to a blank workspace. I make sure everything's good to go. I connect to data, and then I open my workspace. This needs to kind of hurry up though, because he opens here in about 5 minutes. I think I'm good to go now. Just running through all my tabs to make sure everything's loaded correctly, everything looks right. Now you'll notice my tabs, I'm still on the December contract for all of the indices, and there's probably a lot of contracts that have rolled over by now. So what I'm going to do is we're going to come to our control center, we're going to go Tools, Database Management, and automatically it's going to tell you the contracts that you have in this workspace. And I believe any open workspace, and automatically roll them over for you. Now, if your workspace is not open, rolling over in this workspace, closing it, and opening up that other, you'll have to roll that over in that other workspace as well. So let's just do this. All I'm going to do is click roll over and say yes. Now if I come back to my charts, you'll see all of these are going to end up reloading data. I can see in the top left portion of this chart saying loading. And it'll have to go back and adjust the data according to your merge policy. Now, speaking of merge policy, let's talk about that for just a minute. If we come to our control center and we go into our options and we look at market data, you have a global merge policy, and in that you have a drop down of a selection of do not merge data, merge back adjusted data, and merge non-back adjusted data. Now, merging back adjusted data, the reason people do that is it plays nice with oscillators. I use merge non-back adjusted because I don't want them to merge this data so there's no gap here, so that your oscillators or whatever's working on things like that have gaps. I don't care. When I look back at this date, I want to know that exact high. I don't want to know some kind of black box algorithmic calculation to make it look good. But that's just me. There's arguments on both sides, both valid. You know, you just have to decide how you want to look at it. I get that question sometimes. People ask me, well, how come the values of your lines, let's just say VWAP or previous VWAP or something on my chart, is different than theirs, and they have the exact same settings, the exact same chart, the exact same everything? This could be a very good reason why. If you have yours set to the default of merge back adjusted, your chart isn't going to look exactly like mine.